Assalamu alaikum. My
Yes.
question is why women are forbidden to pray in the mosques.
Your question, why women are forbidden? Who's saying that you are forbidden? Nobody says that you are forbidden.
They are meant only for men.
No, in mosque, that you see, you go to the Masjid Haram, Sacred Mosque, and Masjid, what you say, Prophet Mosque, Al-Aqsa Mosque. Men and women are both praying in the mosque, but they have separate. They have to be separated in a manner that is just and right. But unfortunately, India and Pakistan, and maybe in Bangladesh, maybe certain mosques who are not allowing the women to come to the mosque. So we can understand from the Quran that mostly men and women both can go and pray in the mosque. And especially the Quran says in Surah Al-Imran 3:42 and 43, وَإِذْ قَالَتِ الْمَلَائِكَةُ يَا مَرْيَمُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ اصْطَفَاكِ وَطَهَّرَكِ وَاصْطَفَاكِ عَلَى نِسَاءِ الْعَالَمِينَ. And when the angel said, O Mary, Maryam, surely Allah has chosen you and purified you and chosen you above the women of all worlds. And further it says, Ya Maryam muqnuti li rabbiki wasjudi warkai ma'arrakin. Meaning, O Maryam, Mary, be devout for your Lord and prostrate and bow down with those who bow down. That means if men are praying in the mosque, Maryam was asked to bow down with them, with those who bow down. So in the mosque, if men are going there, women should be permitted to those in the mosque also. And in only maybe, I'm telling you, there are very few countries in the world. Majority people in the mosque all over the world, women and men are allowed, and they are divided or they are separated in a justified manner. So I told you, I read an ayat before that it speaks of people who are doing mischief in the mosque. There are people they don't want the women should go. Who says who's stopping? Did Allah order the women should not go to the mosque? No, they are not. There is no such ayat in the Quran. But on the contrary, both of you, both men and women should be allowed to pray anywhere in the world. And majority of the Muslims all over the world, men and women the separate arrangements are made for women, ladies, and they are allowed to pray, as in Masjid Haram, Masjid Nabi, and all over the world. Only few countries and few mosques are doing mischief.